Here we are inside the house. Tess and Elspeth are having a math game today. Hey guys, let's do this. Elspeth, how old are you?
Hello.
Tess, what are you doing?
We're playing, I'm 16.
You're playing what? We'll come back to you guys.
Okay.
Hey Max, how old are you, lovey?
3.
3. What's going on outside?
Snowing.
It's snowing. Yeah, thanks, lovey.
Minus 13 miles.
Okay, guys. Elspeth is. Elsa, are you 8?
3.
She's 8.5. Tess is 10.
It's 57.
Everybody, Tess definitely needs a haircut.
Mommy. Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
We're playing math games today.
That's a game for me.
Here's Megan.
Okay. Mommy.
Yes, what do you want to do, love?
Help me build all this. No, go on the back.
Do you want to lie down on the sofa?
Yeah.
No.
Yes. Mommy.
So this is what we're doing, snowed in.
You have Puzzler too. Mommy.
Who, me?
Puzzler. It's hard.
Okay, hold on.